TACube Investments, your trusted partner for tax compliance. We are reachable on 0774 538 453, or you can email at tawandachivaro@gmail.com. Allow me to quickly demystify issues around value-added tax in Zimbabwe. So this is a tax that is imposed on the sale of goods and services. The current rate as of 2026 is, the standard rate is 15.5%. We also have a rate of 0%, and we also have supplies that are exempt from VAT. So zero rating and exempt supplies is governed by Section 10 and Section 11 respectively of the Value Added Tax Act, Chapter 23(12). So any supplier who provides goods and services worth 25,000 and above in a period of 12 months is supposed to register for VAT if those goods are taxable supplies. So the VAT Act in Section 2 gives definitions, various definitions. Finance Act number 7 of 2025 modified definitions in Section 2 specifically to do with the definition of a tax invoice and a fiscal device, because ZIMRA has now moved to full implementation of the fiscalization. So it is important that as a taxpayer you are aware of these definitions. General features of a tax invoice are governed in Section 20 of the VAT Act, and the registration is governed in terms of Section 23 of the VAT Act. So it is important that you analyze your business and get checks that you are compliant, especially on tax invoices. If you are to claim your VAT input, ZIMRA audits tends to focus on the features of valid tax invoice or the validity of tax invoice, because that's where most people are found wanting. You might have your name, your TIN number, and then you miss the QR code for verification or validation. That invoice becomes invalid. You might have the fiscalization, and then you miss the buyer's details, their TIN number or their registered address, and that invoice becomes invalid as well. So there are many instances where an invoice that on the face would appear to be valid tax invoice might not. So it is important that you engage the services of a tax agent, tax consultant, tax accountant to verify your tax invoices, so that your claims are always based on valid tax invoice. It is beneficial to register for VAT so that you are able to also claim your VAT on your purchases. You are able to claim your VAT on your imports, be it the import of goods, as well as your VAT on any other supplies you are able to claim. So it is important to register for VAT. It helps you manage your cash flows, as the output tax on your sales is reduced by the input on your purchases to give you a lower payable position. If you are compliant, your claims for refunds are also easier, because when you claim for a refund, ZIMRA does an audit, and if everything is okay, you get your refund, which improves your cash flow. Remember, TACube Investments is there to assist you. Get in touch, email, give us a call, 0774 538 453. your trusted partner for tax compliance. Thank you.